I love YouTube for learning. Not only do I learn on other sites like Skillshare and Lynda, but YouTube has so many good content on there and it's free. So you don't have to, always spend money on courses and stuff like that. But YouTube has so many good channels. And I want to share with you 3 top design channels that I use that I love learning from, and they're really cool. Number 1 is The Future. Chris Do and his team just constantly give out value and gold nuggets, whether it's pricing, whether it's branding, identity design, how to work with clients. They give so much value and it's awesome. He has so much experience and you can learn so much from that channel, and they're almost about to hit 500k subscribers, which is pretty cool. So yeah, check them out. They've also got a Future Academy, which they do some tutorials as well, which is pretty cool. Number 2 is Will Patterson. Will Patterson is a lettering artist and a logo designer. He's been on YouTube for a while now. I just love his attitude. I love his positive vibes. He's really cool, and he's got a lot of cool designs, and he does logo critiques and stuff like that. And I've been watching him for a while, so check him out. He's really cool, really awesome. And number 3 is Flux, which is Ran Segal. He's a designer from Israel, which is pretty cool. He does a lot of web design projects, and he's really good with Webflow. And he just talks about a lot of case studies and actually shows you his client work and how to deal with clients, how to freelance, and he's really good at that stuff. So you'll learn a lot of tips from him on there. So yeah, those are my 3 top design channels that you can go to today to watch some good quality content, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button and also subscribe for more content every week. And also, it'll be really cool if you can hit that bell button on my YouTube channel so you can actually get notifications when I upload a new video, so you can keep up to date with what I'm posting. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day. See you next time.